This colorful 3D printed mask contains programmable living organisms. The 3D printed object is embedded with various chemicals that instructs the microbes to display specific colors. Scientists call it the Hybrid Living Materials, or HLMs for short. It's made of a combination of resins and chemical signals that allows the living organisms to survive and grow. One type of resin provides the structural support, while the other was integrated with the specific chemicals which can control the behavior of the living organisms. Finally, the living layer is added, a surface coating of hydrogel infused with engineered bacteria is sprayed onto the finished object. After a few hours, the microbes begin to glow in localized areas. The chemicals in the 3D printed part activates certain genetic responses in the engineered bacteria. The reaction makes them fluoresce. By swapping out different chemicals, microbes and resin structures objects can be programmed to glow in different patterns and colors. For the proof of concept, researchers made colorful face masks and small discs with multi-colors. The colors may take a few hours to appear, but eventually become stable, such as customized braces that incorporate living cells to produce therapeutic compounds such as painkillers. Also, the material properties of the printed object can be tuned. Some sections can be made stiffer and others more flexible. Such variations could be useful in the design of biomedical devices that can provide strength and support while also being soft to provide comfort to the body. The technology could also be used for smart packaging that detects bacterial contamination. It can be used to develop smart surfaces that can respond and adapt to environmental cues.